Congratulations, Sai, for your recent level 1 success.
Thank you so much, Arjun. Feels really good finally clearing the level 1 exam. And as for someone who's also cleared the level 1 exam last year, can you share your experience with me?
Yeah, so as you probably know, the CFA program is probably the best way to show one's knowledge of the underlying concepts underlying the investment management industry. And as young professionals trying to get a first break, it helps us build that instant credibility. It's something like what we've been discussing since day one of a program. The wealth management industry, it's 80% chemistry and 20% mathematics. So it becomes really important. Secondly, it really didn't feel like an academic journey for me personally, because a lot of the things that eventually came into the exam and were part of the curriculum were also covered from a practical perspective in a very application-based way in the program as well. So yeah, what was it like for you?
If you look at the level 1 curriculum, it focuses much more on the concepts rather than the application of those concepts.
Yeah.
So where this program actually helped me was that in this program we were taught the application first.
Yeah.
Like how do you apply the concepts that you've learned? So for example, in an assignment we were taught how to first plot the indifference curves, the capital allocation line, like how the efficient frontier looks. And coming to the quants, the Monte Carlo simulation, we learned about it in the curriculum, but in this program we were taught how to actually do the simulation on Excel. So Arjun, are there any suggestions that you would like to give the CFA aspirants who are going to pursue the charter alongside the MFWM program?
Yeah, so if there's one thing that we can both agree on, it's that the principles never really leave you, that you learn as part of your overall preparation. The practical aspects obviously will be taken care of in great detail in the classroom. So really the message is that learn to enjoy the process more than worrying about the outcome.